Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make chicken korma. Please check the description box below for the ingredients as well. So let's get started. I have taken half cup of oil. For whole spices I have taken cumin, green cardamom, cloves or long, whole black pepper, bay leaf and half inch of cinnamon stick. I've taken 2 large onions that I have sliced thinly, 1 tablespoon each of ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric or haldi powder, red chili or Laal Mirch powder, paprika powder, garam masala powder, coriander or dhania powder, juice of 1 lime, 3/4 cup of yogurt or dahi, cilantro for garnishing, and some almonds with skin removed. So first we will marinate the chicken. We'll add the ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and all the powdered spices. Best to marinate it for at least 2 hours or overnight. Then I'm going to fry the onions until they are brown and we'll take them out and drain the oil. Next step is to make almond paste. So just add a little bit of water to the almonds and blend them well to make a smooth paste. Then we'll make a paste of the yogurt as well and add brown onions to it and make a smooth paste of this as well and keep aside. Then we'll heat up some oil in a pan and then add all the whole spices mentioned before and we'll just fry them for a minute. And then we'll add the marinated chicken. And here we want to turn the heat high and we are going to saute the chicken until it changes color, about 5 to 7 minutes. Turn the flame to medium low and add some water, about 1 cup of water. After that we will add the onion and yogurt paste we had made earlier to this. We will mix it all well and again on medium flame we will cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you will see that the chicken is cooked at least 80%, 80 to 90%. We'll give it a stir. And then we will add the almond paste that we had made. And at this point, you want to turn the heat to low. Mix the almond paste well with the chicken curry. And again, cover it for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you will see the almond paste is cooked and well through and the chicken is ready to serve. You can garnish it with some cilantro and lime juice. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.